Please settle down. Please settle down. All right. Now, so yes, let us start our today's session. So before starting our today's sessions, as always, let us just try to have a very small and a quick recap of the concepts which I had covered in our last sessions. So guys, yes, when you are speaking about advanced Java, just a second. Don't. Right. When you are speaking about our advanced Java, we know that mainly we are having three concepts are there. Three concepts. What are those? One more time. What are those? JDBC completed. We done. So basically after settle down, settle down, settle down, settle down. Okay. After completing JDBC, we came to know how to connect our Java program to the database by using connection interface, driver manager.get connection method, database URL, database username, password, execute query, execute update statement, prepared statement, callable statement, batch processing, connection pooling, transaction management. All these are covered under JDBC. 20 days we had covered. Done. After that, we started discussing about servlet. Okay. Whenever we are dealing with servlet, then only you can think that we have started with our advanced Java. JDBC is just an extension for our core. That's it. Okay. Once you started dealing with server, okay, when you're speaking about server, basically web server, application server, there are two types of servers are there. Web server is used to create for web applications. Application server is used to create both web applications and enterprise applications. Actually, we are dealing only with the web server, and our web server is Apache Tomcat. Once we connected our Java program, I repeat, once we are able to run our Java program with the help of a server without the using of main method, then we actually started with our advanced Java. That is, we started like 4 to 5 days back. Yes? Okay. We know what is the use of a servlet. I told you one more time, I am repeating this. The whole concept of servlet programming revolves around request response mechanism. As simple as this. Client will be sending a request. Servlet with the help of server, it is going to accept that request. It will perform the changes, process the task, and it will generate the response. Request response. As simple as this. When you're speaking about servlet, basically, what is a servlet? So servlet is nothing but a Java program. Are you understanding the point here? Servlet is, nothing but a Java program. Basically, with the help of this servlet, we'll be able to accept the request, generate the response. We can work with a server environment, guys. Just a simple server environment. That's it, not more than that. Okay, we know this. And after that, when you're speaking about servlet interface, could you please tell me servlet interface is present in which package? JavaX servlet package. In servlet interface, basically there are 5 abstract methods are there. Believe me, these plays a very crucial role. In JDBC, 3 methods are mainly important. Execute query, execute update. Like that, in servlet, 5 methods are very important. All these 5 abstract methods. Okay, abstract methods are, yes, abstract methods. Tell me, what is the first method? Parameterized or non-parameterized? How many parameters? Type servlet? Absolutely perfect. Servlet config. Okay. Second method. Come on. Parameterized or non-parameterized? How many parameters? 2. Type servlet request, servlet response. Next parameter or next method. Don't look. Next method. Get servlet info, get, servlet, config. So totally there are 5 methods are there. In these 5 methods, I repeat, in these, the code is on the board only. Okay, just a second. Now tell me, in these 5 methods, 3 methods are life cycle methods. What are those methods? Init, service, destroy. Whenever the first servlet is deployed into your server, one object will be getting created. What is that? Servlet? No. Servlet config will be created whenever init method is executed. Means whenever servlet is initialized. My question is, once the servlet deployed into the server, notes, once you are deploying your project, your entire project into the server, then an object will be getting created. What is that? You already wrote that. Saturday only I discussed that. Life cycle and object creation. You already wrote that. One more time. Guys, see, the problem with servlet is you will be getting confused. Almost the names will be same. Concentrate. Please concentrate. Get back. Here. Okay. The problem with servlet is by names you will be getting confused. In JDBC, we don't face this problem. Each name is different. But in server-side programming, names you will be getting confused. So one more time I am saying, please listen to this clearly. Once we are deploying our project into the server, an object will be getting created. What is that? Servlet context. That is the first object. Which object? Servlet context. Once we are executing our project, means once the servlet is initialized by using which method? Init method, then one more object will be getting created. What is that? Servlet config. Servlet context is different. Servlet config is different. And after that, whenever we are executing service method, 2 more objects will be getting created. What are those? Servlet request and servlet response. So totally up to now, how many objects got created? 4. What are those? Servlet context, servlet config, servlet request, servlet response. Remember this. Please remember this. Okay. Okay. And after that, yes, if you want to create a servlet, I repeat, if you want to create a servlet, how many options we are having? 3 options. By implementing, come on, servlet interface. After that, by extending generic servlet. Third one is by extending HTTP servlet. You remember this? Okay. Now after that, when we are trying to create a servlet by using servlet interface, we need to override all the abstract methods, which is too hectic. So instead of going with that, generic servlet, okay. How many abstract methods are already overridden in generic servlet? Which one we need to override? Service method. Okay. That is generic servlet. And finally, last one is HTTP servlet. By using HTTP servlet, all the abstract methods are already overridden in HTTP servlet. According to our requirement, we can write our method implementations. Am I clear with that? And after that, we discussed about, Saturday, we discussed about web.xml, deployment descriptor. First, what will be getting executed, and after that, form action tag. How important that form action URL? Yes, URL. How important that URL is there, and the input type request.get parameter, get parameter method. Do you remember that? So these are all the concepts which we had covered up to now in our servlets. Online students, kindly please respond in the chat for me. Up to now, is it clear for everyone? Ashok, HTTP is also an abstract class. Absolutely. Kindly please respond, guys. Up to now, is it clear, guys, for everyone? Okay, that is actually very good. Now I'm going to start one more completely a new concept here. Okay, now, okay, I'll do one thing. Just let me try to give a simple example. Please feel free to close your laptops. Close your laptops. Okay, now let me just try to. Can I? Good. Right. Okay, let us think that this is a person. Okay, I guess let us think that this is a person. Okay, what's your name? Prakash. Okay, Prakesh. Let us think that this is Prakash. Sorry, Prakash. Okay, now, now let me just try to keep it here like this. Now, you know what happened? Prakash came to Naresh IT. I want you to imagine, seriously. I want you to imagine, okay? Prakash came to Naresh IT. Naresh IT office. Okay. Here, first, whenever he is going to the office, first there will be a receptionist will be there, our team will be there. Let us go like FRO, FRO and different office. Front office people will be there. What they will do, they will ask Prakash like what you need. Prakash will say that I'm actually just a second. Okay, Prakash will first deal with the front office. Okay, now he will be saying that I came to here to join. Like I'm not sure which course I need to take. I want to get some guidance. Okay, then from front office there are. Let us think that 1, 2, 3. Okay, just let me try to keep it like this. And one more team. Basically, we are having two teams there. Let's think like two teams are there. Okay, from here, Prakash will be going to two scenarios. Okay, this is actually, let us think that this is a Java team. This is PYTH1 Python team. Counselors will be there now. Python team. That's it. So basically, what is happening here? First, okay, Prakash will be coming to front office. He will be giving a request. He is actually giving a request. What is his request? His request is, I need some guidance. Okay. Then, what is actually happening here? His request will be forwarded to his request will be forwarded to two teams. Are you understanding the point here? Just let me try to come on. Okay. His request will be forwarded to Java team and Python team. Means he will first interact with the Java team. They will say what are the possible career options for Java. After that, he will be again interacting with Python team and they will say what are the career options with Python team. And after this, he will be getting a response. Are you understanding the point here? Please respond. Now my question is very, very, very simple. Prakash will be coming to front office. He will be giving a request, by the way. is having a request, that request will be first handled by front office team, and they will forward that request to another team. Yes or no? Now my question is, who is giving the response? Front office people or else Java team or Python team? Who is actually giving the response to the Prakash? Absolutely. These two members. Yes or no? Come on here. Once front office has forwarded the request to this team, that's it. Its work is done. Completed. So these requests will be taken care by either Java team or Python team. Please respond. Am I clear with that? This is actually request forwarding. Request forwarding. Am I clear with that? Okay. Now let me just try to get back here. One more similar kind of situation. One more similar kind of situation means again. Okay. Now the thing is, Prakash has already taken a decision. He already took a decision. He want to go for Java full stack. He want to discuss about Java full stack. Okay. Now, yes, he will be directly going to the Java team. He will be directly going to the Java team. Okay, Java team. Now, his request will be directly coming to the Java team. Okay. Now, what Prakash will say, sir, not only Java, I want to have an idea about UI also. UI. Are you getting the point here? Then Java team will be giving a response. Java team will be giving a response, and then again his request will be forwarded to UI team. Are you getting the point here? Hey, you need to respond here. Prakash, he came to Java team. Okay, he's okay with Java. Fine, I want to take Java, but he wants to learn something more about UI. So his request will be forwarded to UI team. Now here also UI team will be giving a response. UI team will be giving a response. Just give me a minute time for me. Okay. This is response 1, which is generated by Java team, and this is response 2, which is generated by UI team. Now the thing is, both these two responses, means from here, just let me try to response 1 and response 2, both these responses, by including these two responses, now a complete response will be, just a second, let me, give me a minute time please. Let us think that this is response object. Now in this response object, how many responses you are having? 2 response. Now this complete response will be sent to the Prakash. Are you understanding the point here? Please respond here. Now, this is actually, let me just try to keep it like this. Okay, this is the scenario. Now, this is actually known as include communication. What is the word? Include communication. See, in include communication, how many responses we are having? 2 responses. This response is generated by one servlet. What? Yeah. This response is generated by one servlet. This response is generated by another servlet. By using both these responses, we are actually sending the response back to the client. Are you getting the point here? Now, let's get back here. Here, what is happening? This is which communication? This is which communication? This is a forward, 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 COMMUNICATR. This is forward communication. Means, okay, Prakash will be coming here. First, the request will be handled by one servlet. First, the request will be handled by one servlet, and from that servlet, the response from that servlet, the request will be forwarded to its respective another servlet, and those servlets will be giving the response. Please respond. Are you getting the point here? For one more time. Prakash came. Okay, a client came. Client is having a request. That request will be first handled by a servlet, and in this servlet some logics will be happening. That request should be forwarded to which servlet. That decision will be taken in the main servlet, and basing on the decision, this request will be forwarded to its respective servlet, and the response will be directly generated from that servlet only. Main servlet done. Once main servlet forwarded the request, its work is completed. Please tell me, are you getting the point here? Now, in the second case, the client will be coming. Yes, the client request will be handled by a servlet, and it is going to generate a response. But along with that, it needs some other response also, which should be generated by another servlet. So it is going to again forward that request to another servlet. Now both the servlets will be giving a response. Finally, that response will be forwarded to the client. This is actually known as INCLUD, include communication. This is actually known as include communication. Am I clear with that? Come on, tell me, how many types of communications are there? You need to respond. What are those? Forward and include. Now, this forward communication and include communication, in order to handle this, we need to use an interface known as request dispatcher. What is the word? By using this request dispatcher, we will be able to forward the request, or we'll be able to include the request. Are you understanding the point here? Please keep your side heading as. Please keep your side heading as request dispatcher interface. Request dispatcher interface. Note on a small point for me. Note on a small point. The request dispatcher interface. The request dispatcher interface is a part of the request dispatcher interface is a part of Java X dot servlet package is a part of Java X dot servlet package, and is used to and it is used for resource to resource communication, and it is used for resource to resource communication within a web application. Within a web application. Next point. It allows a request. It allows a request to be. It allows a request to be forwarded to be forwarded to another resource such as servlet, HTML, or JSP or JSP. Please keep this in braces. Start from such as, please keep them in braces. Or R2, or R2, include content from, R2, include content from another resource, include content from another resource in the response. In the response. Okay. Guys, please listen to me. Stop writing. Just a minute. Read this point clearly, please. Please read this point clearly. Okay. It allows. What do you mean by it? I'm sorry. Request dispatcher. It means request dispatcher interface. Are you understanding the point here? It allows means request dispatcher allows. Okay, what it is going to allow? It is going to allow a request. I told you, like Prakash is sending a request, right? So request dispatcher is going to allow a request to be forwarded to another resource. Okay, resource means here HTML to HTML, servlet to servlet, servlet to HTML, servlet to JSP. In these three scenarios, it will be there. Are you getting the point here? Come on. So one more time. Request dispatcher allows the request to be forwarded or to include, please, or to include content from another resource in the response. In simple, either forward communication or include. You need to respond here. Are you getting the point here? Next point. Please note the next point. It is used to perform. It is used to perform below servlet communications. It is used to perform below servlet communications. First one, servlet to servlet communication. Servlet to servlet communication. Servlet to JSP or HTML communication. Servlet to servlet communication. First one. Second one is servlet to JSP or HTML communication. Means we can forward servlet to servlet, servlet to HTML, servlet to JSP. Same applies for include also. Servlet to servlet, servlet to HTML, servlet to JSP. Please. Types of servlet communications. Please keep your next heading as types of servlet communications. Note on the point. We can use request dispatcher. We can use request dispatcher for two types of servlet communications. Two types of servlet communications which are listed below. Which are listed below. First one, forward communication. What is the second one? Include communication, please. Forward communication, and second one is include communication. Note on a small question, just like a small question. How to create a request dispatcher object. How to create a request dispatcher object. Kindly please continue the entire slide. I want you to please write it. After that we'll discuss. Please make sure to write it. We can create a request dispatcher object by using get the request to dispatcher method. Okay. Where is this method present from? Servlet request interface. Okay. Fine. So this method is going to take the path. Path as an argument. So basically it is going to accept a string. Okay. Please write it. Just write the entire thing. After that, we'll be going to the code. Online students, if complete, kindly please message me in the chat. Okay, guys, online students, very few people are responding in the chat here. Please make sure to respond. Please make sure to respond. Otherwise, I'll not be able to understand. Uh, Upendra, I understand you are having a problem with your laptop, buddy. I already told you, I need to see that. Without looking, it will be very hard for me to solve it. Anyways, all right. Is it done, guys? Okay. So let us start with our coding. Don't open your laptops. Wait. Excited? Yeah. Even I also want to. Please wait. For this program, I want you to help me writing the code. First, you help me. I'll write the code. After that, you continue the code by your own. Yes? Okay. Guys, listen to this. Whenever we are dealing with our advanced Java, first, listen. Listen. When you are dealing with advanced Java, first we need to have an output in our mind. Without that idea, output will not be able to write the code. Output, an idea, imagination, visualization is absolutely mandatory whenever we are dealing with advanced Java, right? So right now my intention is I want to give you an idea about this request dispatcher. Wait, what is this request dispatcher? It is an interface. What is the use of this request dispatcher? It is used to forward the request to servlet. Otherwise, it will be used to include the response to the client. Okay, forwarding, including. Is that clear? So, in order to make this happen, shall I keep this in Google Classroom or else delete it? Shall I keep this? No worries. Let me just try to. Today's date is 24th March, right? Okay, let me save it. Okay, now please listen. Guys, listen. I have an output in my mind, and that output is, that image which is present in my mind is This one. Take a minute time and discuss among yourselves regarding this output. Just take a minute time, discuss. The time starts now. 1 minute. Don't write the code, discuss. Dot. Done. You got an idea? Did you got an idea? Shall we start? Okay, I'm going to write the code. You just please try to help me with this. Let me close. Okay, and now I'm going to obviously, please listen. Please listen. Okay, obviously I need to create a project, new, web project, dynamic web project, app for underscroll request request dispatcher, dispatch here, request dispatcher. Okay, app for request dispatcher, dynamic web module version. Hey, guys, come on. 4.0. Okay, next or finisher. Finish. Why next? Why? Because we need to give a checkbox for web.xml. Remember that. Okay. Next, and checking this checkbox and then finish. Okay. App for request dispatcher. So first things first, let me try to give my jar file here. Okay, build path, configure build path, and add external jars, servlet API, apply and close. Done. Okay, jar file is added. SRC, you please tell me. SRC main, right click on web app, I guess. Right click on web app, go to new, select HTML. Okay, what is the HTML index dot HTML? Okay. Let me just try to go with the index dot HTML. Give a click on next and finish. Okay, my HTML page got created. Now here CNTR center. Okay, just a second. Center and one more, please. I'll just try to write CNTR center. Sure. Center. Okay. Now, after that, I'm going to write a form action tag. Okay, just a second. Let me try to. Okay, form action tag. Okay. Form action. Now, inside this form action, okay, and here I need to go with the main servlet. Let me just try to go like MS. Yes, main servlet and method post. I'll go with post. Okay, method post, just like this. Form action tag completed. Now after that, what I need to have, enter the number. Okay, enter enter the number. Okay, number and here just let me try to go like br and one more, please. I just want to go with br. Okay, after that, input type, input type equal to text. I'll go with text. Name equal to, I'll go with num. Just num. Okay, done. Input type done. After that, after that, get factorial. Okay, what is that actually? Submit button. That is actually submit button, right? Get factorial and check even. Okay, I'm going with the input type equal to submit value equal to GET factorial. Okay, and again, I'm just trying to go with BR. Okay, one more here. Input type equal to submit, value equal to, please tell me, check even. CHECK, check EVEN, check even. Okay, okay, done, done. Now I want to see the output. I just want to see the view, how the view is coming. Okay, let me go to WebINF web.xml, and after that, what I need to do? Come on, index.html. Yeah, it's directly index.html. Not at all a problem. Shall I execute my program? Okay, this is index.html. Let me save it. Okay, right click, run on server. Always use this. Feel free to check this checkbox. No need to again enter it again. So give a click on next, and you can remove all. Which project you want to run, you can keep that in the server. You can remove all, no problem, nothing will happen. Okay, remove all means from the server directly your projects will be coming out from the server. That's it. It's okay, no problem. If you want to add, you can add, but why unnecessarily, executing all the other projects also? So just let me try to remove all. Now only this project will run, other projects will not run. Okay, give a click on finish. Yes, give a click on OK. Server started, and okay, enter the number, get factorial, check even. I want a little bit big, so just let me try to make it as H1, and just let me try to go like H1, just like this. Okay, now if I execute one more time, where is the center? Okay, one more time. Did I save it? Yes, saved it. Fine, fine. Okay. Now I'm able to enter some number. No issues. Okay. Now my question is, if I'm giving a click here or here, if I'm giving anywhere here, it should be going to main servlet. Okay. Let me just try to get back to my project. Go to new, select class, and here main servlet main servlet. Oh, sorry. I need to create a package, right? So new, new package. Let me go like pack one. Okay, please don't check this package info. Give a click on finish. Okay, right click, go to new, select class MAINSERVLET main servlet. Give a click on finish. Okay, servlet got created. Could you please tell me the code? You didn't tell me the code. EXTNDS extensor generic servlet, and yeah, obviously we need to add the unimplemented methods. That is which method? Service method. Okay, we need to add that service method here, and then let me just try to remove this REQ and RES just for understanding purpose. That's it, not more than that. Okay, now wait, I have a problem. The problem is, the problem is, I need to forward that request to factorial servlet and even servlet. Okay, how I need to forward that request basing upon the buttons which the user is pressing. Come on here. So what I need, from this HTML page, I need to get this factorial, or I need to get this check even. So that I'll be using equals method, equals method string class. I'll be able to check the content, and if the content is same, I'll be forwarding it to factorial servlet or even servlet. Okay. Then I'll do one thing. Let me just try to write name choice. Here also I'm going to write exactly the same name choice. So right now what happens if the user gave a click on get factorial, then what would be the value of this choice get factorial? Hey, come on. If the user gave a click on check even, what would be the value of that check even? I mean, what is the value of this choice? Check even. So here what I'm going to do, simply request dot get parameter. Here, what is the parameter I'm going to give? CHYC choice. Oh, just a second. Let me exactly the same. So here also I'm going to give choice. Now string string string. Let me just try to go like C equal to like this. Am I clear with that? Now here if C dot equals, now I'm going to write simply get factorial. Some code should be getting executed, else other code should be getting executed. Did you understand this concept? Online students, I want you to kindly please respond to me in the chat. Please respond to me in the chat. Did you understand this? Okay. Now I just want to check whether I'm getting the C value properly or not. Okay. So system.out.println, just for understanding purpose, user user selected plus C. I'm just writing like this. Okay. Now, is everything correct? Something is still I need to modify in main servlet. What is that? Web servlet. I need to give that annotation, right? Okay. Now here at the rate web servlet, and what is that annotation here? MS semicolon. Absolutely not. MS. That's it. Okay. Let us just try to execute. Right click, run on server. Okay. Now enter a number. I'm just entering 5. Okay. Get. I want to go with check even. I'm pressing check even. Is my request forwarded to main servlet? Let me just try to open my Eclipse. I believe you're understanding the point here. You need to respond here. Did you understand how I'm writing this? Come on. Okay. Now, from here, if the user selected get factorial, I need to forward that to factorial servlet. If user selected even servlet, I need to forward it to even servlet. Yeah, sure. Let me just try to use request dispatcher. You already wrote how to create that request dispatcher object. Could you please read that answer for me? My question is, request dispatcher method is present in servlet request. Tell me the code. I'm sorry. Method is get request. Okay, I mean get request dispatcher. But that get request dispatcher method is present in servlet. Tell me the code. REQ dot get request dispatcher. Okay, equal to RD belongs to request dispatcher. REQUEST request dispatcher, and here I need to forward that to, let me go, what is that factorial, sir, right? Let me just try to write like FS and RD dot forward request response. I'm forwarding the request and response. Are you getting the point here? Come on. Seriously, tell me, am I clear with this? Guys, here, whatever the request and response we are having, the same objects we are actually forwarding to another servlet. What is that? FS. FS means factorial servlet. We need to create it. We need to create it. Now tell me, one more. What about else block? What about else block? Tell me. Same here, but here what I need to go? ES. ES means event servlet. ES means event servlet. From here, from factorial servlet, I need to give the response. Okay, tell me what I need to do. What I need to create right now. Tell me what I need to create right now. Am I supposed to create one more servlet? Absolutely. Okay, pack one. Go to new. Select class FACTORIAL factorial servlet. Finish. Tell me the code. Oh, one more also I'll be creating. New. Please tell me. New class, and here EVN even SERVLET even servlet. Even servlet. Give a click on finish. Okay. Now I'm speaking about factorial servlet. Tell me the code. You need to tell me the code here. EXTNDS extends generic servlet. After that, implementing the service method. Okay. After that, let me just try to change request to request and response. Okay. Now I'm dealing with factorial servlet. Factorial servlet. Please don't disappoint me. What I need to do? Check the diagram. Check the diagram. Get the request. Which request? From the main servlet, already the request is forwarded. Yes or no here? Now, basically in factorial servlet, what I need to do? You need to calculate the factorial. We need to calculate the factorial for not main servlet. Number. Hey, yes or no here? From where you are getting that number? Index.html. Tell me the code. Tell me the code. I need to get that number. RES? REQ? Okay, first let's go with the print writer. I want to get the writer. Tell me the code. RES dot get writer. Okay. RES dot get writer equal to PW belongs to print writer. Okay. After that, I need to set the content type. Tell me. RES dot set content type. Here I'll be going with text slash HTML. Now tell me the code. I need to get the number. Please tell me. REQ dot get parameter. Here what I need to give. Whatever the string which we have given here. Yes or no? Now again coming back here, and I'm going to give exactly the same. After that, equal to int I. But here, you know why we are getting an error? Do you know why we are getting an error? Tell me the code. Int is integer dot parse int, integer dot parse int, and here simply I'm going to write request dot get parameter number. Now I'm having I'm getting the value, integer value. Please tell me the code for for calculating the factorial. Int FACT fact equal to 1. Int factor equal 1. After that, let me just try to go with for loop. Tell me the code. Here, what I'll be doing, let me go like I should be greater than or equal to 1, I minus minus. Can I go like this? Yes or no? Tell me the code. FACT fact equal to fact into I. Can I write like this? Getting the factorial. Please tell me, is it valid? Now I need to display this. I need to display this. Where I need to display this? Where I need to display this result? HTML. Okay. Go ahead. pw dot print ln, and here I am going to write first. Just a minute. Let me write a center tag center center tag, and here I'm going to write h1. Okay, center tag h1. After that, pw dot print ln, pw dot print ln, the factorial 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 for plus I plus I plus I is plus FACT fact, just like that. Okay, the factorial for is fact, and after that, just let me try to do one thing, and here I'll just try to go like BR and BR. Okay, BR and BR. Now I want to get my request dispatcher object one more time. Could you please help me with the code? I want to get my request dispatcher object one more time. REQ dot get request dispatcher, Okay, now here I'm going to write index.html, index.html equal to, I'm going to write rd belongs to request dispatcher. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to include rd dot include request response. I'm including this response to this HTML page. Okay, done. Now I want to write for event servlet also. Tell me the code. Let me just try to write like this. Here, event servlet extn is extends generic generic servlet. Okay, add unimplemented methods. Okay, and here request response. Okay, and now obviously I need to get my print writer, and these values also should be getting exactly the same like this. After that, I need to check whether it is even or not. Okay, sure. If I modulus 2 equal to 0, system.out. Okay, I just want to write like this. Here I'll be going with else. Okay, simply pw dot print ln Can I write CNTR center? And you know what? I have a small doubt. What if I write like this? And here simply I'm going to write H1. And here pw dot print ln, the given plus I is even, even, even. And then I'll just try to go with br and br. Okay, the given, okay, the given number numbr, the given number I is even. Okay, exactly the same here. I will be writing the given number I is odd. Okay, and after that again request request dot get request dispatcher index dot html, index dot html equal to rd belongs to request dispatcher. After that, tell me the code. Rd dot include request response. And okay, I believe I'm forgetting something. At the rate web servlet. And what is that annotation here? ES. And what about here? Here it is FS, right? At the rate web servlet. And here I just need to go with now what is that? FS. Okay, now here just let me try to get this factorial servlet. Okay, I did not close the center tag. Okay, let me just try to close the center tag also. Uh, Let me first try to cut. Okay, H1 and center. And the same I'm going to defer even servlet also. Okay, let's see what happens. Let's try to. Okay, let's try to execute this. Let me get back here. Request dispatcher, right click, run on server. Okay, so enter the number. I'm trying to enter 5. Get factorial. Let's see what happens. The factorial for 0 is 120. No, not 0. Not 0. We should be getting here. What we should be getting here? 5. Okay, yeah, user selected okay. But we should be getting, where is this? Here, right? No, this is here, factorial. Factorial servlet. Oh, we are reducing the value of I now. We are decrementing the value of I. So that is the reason we are getting it as 0. Okay, simply I'll do one thing. Now let's one more time. Okay, enter the number. I'm giving 5. Get factorial. Okay, I'll do one thing. It's, let me, where is this user selected? In main servlet, right? I'm keeping this in comment. I will you understand why I'm keeping this in comment? Yes. Why? Because unnecessarily it is coming. So let me go for one more time. Right click, run as, run on server. Okay, enter the number 5, get factorial. Yes, the factorial for 5 is 120. I'm going to enter 5 and I'm giving a click on check even. Okay, the given number is, the given number 5 is odd. Now, how we are getting this data? This one. I'm speaking about this one. Enter the number. Again, we are able to perform the operation, right? Come on here. Did you understand how we are getting this? Why? Because we are using include communication. Along with the response, we are using include communication. Okay, we'll do one thing. In factorial, I'm not going to write this data. Let's see what happens. Right click, run as, run on. Factorial. Factor for 5 is 120. Where is my index.html? I did not include that in the response. Did you understand the importance of that? Come on. This is forward communication and include communication. Now, I want you guys to try. Do that. You need the code? Do you need the code? Start. Be fast. Let's check if you are getting the output in the first attempt correctly. Take this as a challenge. Abhijit, I believe it's clear. That is good. Please tell me, shall I show you the code also? Yes? How many wants the code? Raise your hands. Only one. Okay. Continue. First try. After 10 minutes, I'll try to show you the code also. First try. Please first try. Okay, guys, before coming to the classes only, please make sure Eclipse to be open. If you are opening your Eclipse right now, coming to the class, you know it's going to take time. Before coming to class only, open your Eclipse, minimize it, keep your laptop in sleep mode and bring. So that we'll be able to fastly write the code. Opening Eclipse only taking 10-15 minutes time means use all the fingers. Keep your mobile aside. No. Keep your mobile aside. Use all the fingers. Don't one or two. Type with both hands. Type the code with both hands. If time permits, tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I'm going to introduce you JSP, MVC architecture. No problem, Upendra, no problem. No issues. Yeah, sure. Ashok, you can. No problem. Okay, Upendra, let me. Upendra, please unmute. Can you hear my voice?
Yes, sir.
Can you hear my voice, Upendra?
Am I audible to you, sir? Yes, sir. Am I audible to you, sir?
Your voice is breaking, buddy. Your voice is breaking. Please come to a proper internet connection, please.
Okay, sir.
Please come to a proper internet connection. Place where you are getting a proper internet connection. Yes? Upendra, can you hear me? Yeah. Please unmute.
Am I audible to you, sir, now?
Yeah, you're audible. You're audible. Upendra, tell me what's the problem?
Sir, actually, I am unable to run program, sir.
Okay. Why?
Actually, I have sent code to you, sir. You said code is always perfect.
Mm-hmm. And
But
after that?
After submitting the form, I am getting a 404 error.
What I told you in the chat?
You said that do with application 2 and restart the
Okay.
laptop.
Okay.
I have done it, sir. Still, it's showing like that only.
Okay. Can you please bring the laptop?
Sir, actually, I'm at Visakhapatnam, sir.
You tell me what I need to do, Upendra. You only suggest me.
I'm asking that is there any chance to access my laptop through online?
You are asking, is there any chance laptop through online? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Do one thing. You are thinking that if I am able to access the laptop online, there may be a chance of solving the error, right?
Yes, sir.
But it's not sure.
Okay.
That's what I'm trying to say. It's not sure. The problem is you are unable to. Okay, just a second. Okay, please share your laptop screen.
Okay, sir.
Share it right now. Why can't you come to Hyderabad, Upendra? Why are you staying in Vizag?
Actually, some financial issues, sir. That's why.
Come on, buddy. If you are getting a job in Hyderabad, definitely you will be coming, right?
Yes, sir.
Then I clearly told you how this advanced Java will work. Okay, where is your Eclipse?
Wait, sir.
You did not start the Eclipse?
No, sir. Actually, I'm listening the class, sir.
And
I'm using in another laptop, sir. My friend's laptop.
okay, please message me once your Eclipse is open.
Okay, sir.
Move the chair. Move the chair. Read.
Am I audible to you, sir?
Yeah, just a second. Just a second. Tomcat 9W. Yes. Okay. Okay. Execute.
Okay, sir.
Read the message what it is displayed. Please read the message.
Okay, sir.
What is the meaning of that message?
Localhost already is in use, sir. Actually, I have not stopped it.
Stop it.
Okay, sir.
Go to C drive.
What is it?
Program files.
Sorry, sir.
Apache Software Foundation, Tomcat 9.0 bin. Double click on Tomcat 9W. Give a click on yes. Oh, okay, stop it. Stop. Please give a click on OK. Yeah. Right click on app 2. Yeah, execute the project, please.
చెప్పండి మా ఇప్పుడు మా బాబా బాగుంది కదా చదువుతుంది కదా అందుకే అడుగుతాను ఏ మాట్లాడదానికి అనమాట తప్పు
Upendra?
Yes, sir.
I request you to kindly please have a proper environment there. Okay. Please execute. Salary. Experience. Submit. Okay. Please open your code. Home action. Okay. What is the URL you have given? Line number 10.
Home action UP method post, sir.
Yeah. What is the URL? What is the URL you have given? UP.
UP, sir.
Okay. Go to the servlet.
Here it's showing
servlet. Go to your servlet code.
Servlet.
Okay. Please expand Java resources left side. Expand SRC. Expand pack 1. Double click on EMP servlet. Okay. UP, fine. Web.xml. Please open web.xml. Okay, please go to input.html.
Okay, sir. Input.html, sir.
Please go to input.html. And there, in the place of UP, just a second. Okay, write EMP.
Sir, 1 minute, sir. Wait. మా తమ్ముడు బోర్డు అని చదివాడు నేను ఏడు రాలేదు మా తమ్ముడే సార్ సారీ సార్ 2 minutes, sir.
It's okay. It's okay, I can understand. No problem. No problem. EMP.
క్లాస్ అవుతుంది ఒక 2 నిమిషాలు కూర్చొని వస్తుంది మాట్లాడతాను మీరు ఒక్క నిమిషం ఆగండి చెప్పినండి చెప్తాను కదా క్లాస్ అవుతుంది అనేసి ఓకే సార్
Please go to EMP servlet.
EMP servlet, sir.
Yeah. Remove that UP and write EMP.
Okay. EMP servlet, sir.
Please save it. No, just EMP. Enough. Save it. Save. Completely save.
EMP, sir?
Yeah, EMP is enough.
Okay, sir.
Save. Okay. Please run your project one more time. No, not there. Open your project explorer.
Yes, sir.
Window. Go to window.
Sorry, sir.
It's okay. Go to window. Show view. Show view. Project explorer. Yeah.
It's not opening, sir.
Okay. Try to select. There. Yes. Select.
There,
Yes, please. Okay. Right click on app 2. Run on server. Go ahead. Okay. In your server, it is showing like app2 only.
Yes,
Means you are unable to get to the request. Okay, do one thing. Go to Eclipse. Go to Eclipse. Window. Show view. Servers. Right click on Tomcat 9.0.
Right click, sir.
Right click.
Okay.
Give a click on clean Tomcat work directory.
Clean Tomcat work directory.
Yes. Give a click on that. Okay.
Okay.
Again, right click on Tomcat. Give a click on clean. Yes. Okay. Run the project one more time. Okay. Run on server. Please execute one more time. Okay. Now I cannot work directly like this, buddy. I need to check your laptop.
Okay.
I tried. Okay.
Sir.
We tried all the possible options. Still, we are getting like this only. Please go to your code one more time. Okay, just a second. Go to window, browser, web browser. Okay, select internal web browser. Execute it one more time, please. Please. Okay, see previously in your Chrome, you are getting open Chrome. You are getting EMP Servlet in Chrome. Did you check that?
Yes, sir.
Open this Eclipse. Right now you are getting EMP. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
So there is a problem in the workspace.
Okay.
We will not be able to find out like this. Okay?
Okay.
Did you understand the browsers? Previously we are getting EMP server, but right now we are getting EMP. Please close that browser.
Chrome, sir.
No, HTTP status for that path. Close it. And here you had gone with web EMP servlet request response. Please go to that input.html one more time. Input.html.
Yes.
Yeah, here you are giving absolutely perfect. Absolutely perfect. EMP servlet. EMP servlet. Here also you are getting absolutely perfect. Now, please go to window. Okay. Now go to web browser. There are different options are there now here.
Yes,
so
sir.
try to check with select different web server option, web browser options and find it out. Okay.
Okay.
If it is working, fine. Otherwise, I need to check the laptop personally. Then only I can help.
Okay, sir.
All right, buddy. Take care.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Sure. Okay, I'm going to show you the code, guys. Okay. Now, this is the code. First, index.html. After that, okay, wait. Factorial, I'll go with even servlet, and then this is main servlet. This is a code. For main servlet, and this is the code for factorial servlet. This is the code for even servlet. Yes. Whenever you are getting starting Tomcat v 9.0 server at localhost encountered a problem, several ports 80, 13, 80, 86 are running, please stop the server from your C drive Apache Tomcat. Please try to stop that server from there. Okay? The server may already be running. Let me just try to C drive. Program files, Apache Software Foundation, Tomcat 9.0, bin, cancel. Let's go with Tomcat 9W. Yes, stopped. Okay. Now, what is this Eclipse? Why you are using this? Restart it. Restart it. Okay. Whenever you are going with Spring Eclipse, what happen? Your Tomcat will automatically on. Tomcat will automatically on. Try to please check with that. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm. Enter. Just a sec. No, Sarangi, it's not like 4.0. It's not like 5.0. 4.0 only. Shinde, every class file annotation is different. Yeah. That is the see annotation. When you are speaking about this annotation, which annotation here? We are writing that annotation. Shinde, it's not like every time you need to go with FS only. Okay? This is the URL path. This is the path which we are giving. Okay? Hold. Input.ht. Where is that? This one? And kindly please do remember, both servlets should not be having the same URL. If two servlets are having same URL, your server will not even start also. Check with that. Please check with that. Then, how many of you completed? Only 3 to 4, 5 people. That's it. Remaining did not. Okay. This is the task. I want you to complete this. Complete this, then only leave. Are you working on this? Try to complete this and then leave. Okay. Tomorrow we are going to discuss, some notes regarding forward and include communication. Some notes is there. After writing that, then we'll be dealing with JSP. MVC if time permits. We'll try to check with that. Okay. Dot. So here, Reshma sir wants to show factorial servlet. This is factorial servlet, Amma. This is factorial servlet. This is even servlet. This is main servlet. This is our HTML page. Try to check with that. This is factorial servlet. Okay? Reshma, please tell me. So main file URL is available in HTML. Okay. Where is the other files URL? Shinde, what about request dispatcher? Please check line number 22 and line number 27. In request dispatcher, we are giving the URLs now. What is happening, Shinde? What you are listening? Shinde, can you see this? Respond, please respond to me. Okay, that is good. That is good. So kindly please try to work with this and make sure to complete this by today only. Make sure to complete this by today. Okay? All right. So, and by the way, guys, Saturday I gave you a small task grading. Is it complete for everyone? That is good. That is good. So please try to make sure to complete this, and we'll be trying to continue our sessions again by tomorrow. Thank you, guys. Thank you for listening. Thank you. Thank you. Online students, I believe you enjoyed our today's sessions.